Assalamualaikum everybody, it's me Robin from Arbino Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can add a professional and fully functional countdown timer on your website. It's not just awesome, it is really functional. If you watch this video from first to last, you will be able to add a very high functional countdown timer on your WordPress website. If you want to learn how to make this type of website, I have a tutorial how I have made this website within under just 20 minutes. I will give the video link in the description box. And please make sure you have subscribed our channel. Your subscription is really very helpful for us. It will grow our community more faster. So first go to on your WordPress dashboard and then click plugins to add new, and then in the search box have to search countdown, then search it and you will see countdown coming soon, maintenance countdown and clock. This plugin, its ratings is fully 5-star and 10,000 plus activate 2 weeks ago last update. So close your eyes and install this plugin and activate. After that you will see a add new button, so click on add new and here you will see some interface of the countdown timer. Which look you like, select and customize. Suppose I am going to move with circle, and then you can put a countdown timer, suppose RBN Web Solutions. Then scroll down, here you will see a live preview. This is a really awesome feature. And scroll down, here you will see due date. If you want to set any date, suppose we are going to set 7th April and the time is 12 this time, and the time zone you can set from here. If you don't want to set through the date, then you can set through duration. Suppose directly you can type 5 days 10 hours 0 minutes and suppose 40 seconds. Then here you will see 5 days 10 hours 0 minutes, and this is already started countdown. And then if you click on display on, this is a really awesome feature of this plugin. Here you can see select conditions, so click on here where you want to put this countdown timer. All posts, select pages, all pages. You can select pages from here. Suppose type is select pages, and then pages name, suppose about us. You have to type here about us. You can see here, suppose contact us. You have to type just page name, contact us. And suppose you want to set is not. If you set is, then when the contact us page will be displayed, then the countdown timer will be shown. If you set is not, then in the contact us page the timer will not be shown. Suppose we are going to set all pages, you can select the posts and all posts. This is really awesome also. Suppose we are going to set all pages, then select and then publish. Reload the site, go to about page. Here you can see the timer. If you go to contact us page, the countdown timer, sample page, you have to copy this short code and you have to off this and then update. Go to the page or post where you want to display the timer. Edit page. Then here you can select the shortcode and update. And after that, in the about us page, only the timer will be show. Contact us page, no timer. Sample page, no timer. Just on about us page it will be show. So in the same method you can set the timer on all push dates or specific push dates also. If we scroll down, then after expiring the time, what will be the countdown timer? It's definitely should set height countdown, and then you will see more options. Font size, the size, if you want to change, then you can increase the font size, suppose 14 pixel. And then alignment, you can set animation. If you set ticks, can you see the changes here? And if you set smooth, it will run smoothly. And background circle width, if you want to increase, you can increase, and if you want to decrease, you can decrease also. And countdown width, you can increase or decrease. You can customize actually everything. And circle width, you can decrease more or increase. After that you will see another options, and then you can see action on countdown content click. When someone, now you can see the timer is not clickable, but if you want to make it clickable, then you can do it also. Really great feature. Suppose this website, and then update, reload the page, and now can you see this timer is clickable. When you will click here, it will go to the specific link or specific website. Can you see? This is really awesome feature. And next option, if you want the link will be open in new window, then you can select. Then if you want to change the text of those circles, you can do also. Suppose hours to hour, can you see hour? So you can change those also. And if you want to set any text before the timer, then you can set here. Suppose Ramadan offer is going on. Update, and then reload. Can you see here? You can customize this text also. So go to the text again and click on visual to text. Visual to text, and make it center. The align is currently in the left, we want in the center, so align it to center. And then you can increase the text size. Suppose font size 40 pixel and the color is gray. Then update and reload the site, and you will see the changes. This is really awesome, and I will prefer to use this plugin if you want to add any timer on your WordPress website. This is really awesome. And if you want to set coming soon mode, you will be able to do also. Here you can set contents and the headline, also available maintenance mode. I really like this plugin and I will tell you to use this plugin. And from here you will see many types of countdown. Sticky countdown, if you want to use, you can add simple countdown, timer, this type of free countdown layout you can use, and those are pro. Hopefully this tutorial helps you, and please again I will see subscribe our channel to grow more faster. We are trying to give you something you free, and just we need your support. So please subscribe our channel and stay with RBN Web Solutions. Thank you.